Hello. Hi, this is Pavan Devarkonda talking about MySQL database designing, where most of our BTech students are starting working on this databases, RDBMS, learning about how the normalization. So let's begin here. I have a clear coda and we can launch one simple Linux operating system. There are a lot of playgrounds are available. I'm selecting one of the playground here. Ubuntu 24.04 is the latest version which is available here. I'm selected that and it is launching about to for 60 minutes. It is going to give our session and we can run whatever we want to execute on this Linux machine. Let's begin. I want to install MySQL database server. So this is a simple command apt install y MySQL server. So that is going to take a couple of seconds to bring it up the server MySQL server on Ubuntu Linux operating system. Let's jump into another browser where we can go to AI, X.ai, or you can simply say grok. Both are same. So once if I type X.ai, it is going to show you grok prompt, so where I'm just typing whatever I need to work on. So I'm just taking the current problem in Telangana. It is going to work with the database. So bhubharathi is one of the important thing which we are going to work on. It is going to have a revenue records to maintain, and it is able to work with the farmers database, and it is maintaining couple of revenue records, and this need to be administered. This need to be couple of users need to be created, and also we need to provide government officials to access, create, update, insert records. So I have given the same prompt over here, and it is automatically generated the complete database schema, and this is going to help the Raita Mitra project. So the project related tables all are created here. You can see here one after the other, it is able to normalize the database because AI also have the best practices in place. It creates all the connections, primary key constraints, foreign key constraints, connection between the tables, and also it maintains the data what you need to. Is it a data that is must enter? So you can see not null in a couple of fields where we must enter the data. So all this all it is automatically think for us, and it is designing a database schema. So that's a beautiful work. It is assisting us, and we have to use AI for assisting us. So that is what I did here, and it has created a couple of tables here, and you can see I have also asked the sample insertion of rows. So if you see here, insert records, land related information, and also it is also maintains that there are a lot of problems when you are looking into the current system. There is no primary key. Or if you go for revenue records, it is having the multiple keys, but here if you see grok is giving us one primary key for one table. It is not going to pull multiple things and complex the things. So it is simplified, and also it has created couple of users here. You can see revenue users, revenue officers, who are allowed to insert, select, update. So this entire thing, whatever we have that schema created for us, that we can get it as a SQL file, and you can upload it to any project which is going to run in a container or in your MySQL database server. So let us jump into MySQL server. Just couple of verifications. We can check that it is installed perfectly, and MySQL version is showing as expected 8.0.41. MySQL enter, it will jump into internal client which is available on this Linux machine. So now I'm going to use this all the SQL files commands which I have got from the X.ai grok provided, and when I run, if you see each one line, it is saying okay, it is not having any problems, all of them are successfully executed. The entire database schema is created, and you can verify that one by using simple select command. The system generated a couple of users we can see, and whatever the tables are created on the above, you can see. And this entire tables what we have here, AI generated, this is having nicely optimized, because you can see the indexed, each index is used for multiple thousands of records. You can store citizens information, we can store, and we can also retrieve the data faster, because they are having the index on top of every table which is required to be accessed. So that's the beauty of this AI tool. So here I'm just trying to run another load land related ownership records. So which is one or two records, just sample records we have here. Another table we can see on the above, and I can try that. That is select star from land. Disputes. This is one of the most important troubleshooting thing which you need to aware of it. So Raita Mitra project is a database schema, and under that one you have couple of tables. So if you have any spelling mistakes, you will be getting this does not exist, right? Let's try what we have the spelling correctly, and yeah, if you miss one character also, you may not get the records correctly. So here is a disputes. Yeah. Um, that's a simple select query which we are executed and able to verify. So you can use any other table as well. So it's created couple of tables which is going to help us to set up the revenue department to run entire Raitu Mitra project in a proper way, with a normalization of all the tables, with the proper data to be collected and proper access simplified, and that select query, whatever you are going to get it from, executed from the apps, mobile apps, or from the websites, that will be executed very faster way, because it is also created the best practices included of query optimization included, that is indexes are available on couple of tables. That's it. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe to Pavan Devarkonda, Pavan BS Devarkonda channel.